Crypto swaps are now at HAQQ Wallet. Swap your first pair in 5 steps. Go to the Swap Tokens section in your HAQQ Wallet. Important. First, you must deposit tokens that you would like to swap. Then select the token drop-downs and choose a pair to swap. In our example, we will swap ISLM for USDT, but you can select among other trading pairs. Enter the amount you would like to swap or select the max to automatically input the total amount of the token you have available in your wallet for swapping. Pay attention to this parameter. Price impact is the change in token price directly caused by your trade, which can vary depending on the liquidity pool size. Now check the transaction settings, slippage tolerance and deadline. Slippage tolerance is the maximum percentage difference between the expected and actual price of a cryptocurrency swap. We recommend setting this value based on market volatility and asset liquidity. The transaction deadline helps protect you from swaps being executed at unexpectedly changed prices due to market volatility. If pending for 20 or more minutes, the transaction will automatically revert to its original state. Select Preview and approve the transaction. Congrats, you swapped the tokens at a minimal fee with your HAQQ Wallet.